Thinking of selling your home? Well, in this video, we'll share some valuable insights and tips on selling your home and selling your home over asking price. Let's get started right now. Good day and welcome to the channel. I am Kathy Tate, a licensed realtor here in San Antonio, Texas and surrounding areas. And if this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in San Antonio, subscribe below, tap the notification bell, and you'll be the first to know about the current market in San Antonio, Texas. We receive calls, text messages, and emails from people just like you, looking for help on making their move to San Antonio, and we love it. We'd also love to help you. So if you're moving in 6 days or 60 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, all in the description below, and we'll be happy to assist you with making a smooth move to San Antonio, Texas. So in this video, I'm going to give you some valuable tips on putting your house on the market. Let's start with preparing your home for the market. The expression that first impressions are everything is very true when it comes to selling your home. First impressions will be a make or a break for your home. When buyers walk through your home, they are assessing everything in the home, and their impression of the home will determine if they're going to make you an offer. It would also determine how much of an offer they're willing to make you. So preparing your home for the market is very important. When preparing your home for the market, there are 3 components. The first one is repairs. Take a good look at your home and decide what needs to be improved or fixed that will maximize your home's appeal and your home's value. Most repairs are cosmetic and will be less expensive if they're fixed before the inspection. Some of the things to look at when you're thinking about repairs for the home: leaky faucets, painting, light fixtures, caulking, torn window screens. Those are the type of things that you can fix before an inspection that will be much less expensive. Now, if you're thinking of larger repairs, such as renovating the kitchen or the bathroom, look at the age of your home and look at your return on investments before you decide on major renovations. So the second component of preparing your home for the market is cleanliness. A deep clean before listing your home on the market will make the upkeep much easier. Also, remove any clutter. Make sure countertops are clean, closets are cleared out, excess furniture is taken to the storage, holiday decorations are put in storage. The house should always appear to be open and spacious when buyers walk through. And last and certainly not least is curb appeal. First impressions, the curb appeal will be the first thing the buyers see when they drive up to the home. Make sure the grass is cut and the hedges are trimmed. And the third component of preparing your home for the market is staging. According to the National Association of Realtors, 96% of buyer's agents reported that staging had some effect on their clients' view of the home. They also said that staging assisted their clients in visualizing how their furniture or their belongings would fit into the home. The survey also revealed that 52% of buyers stated that they were willing to make a higher offer on a staged home than an unstaged home that was very similar. Now that we've prepared the home for the market, let's price the home for the market. If you want your home to sell fast and over asking price, you have to price your home so that it'll attract potential buyers. And that's where I come in. I can provide you a comparative market analysis, which is called a CMA, to give you an estimated price range of what you should list your home for. This CMA will be based on the market conditions, the location of your home, the size of your home, and the condition of your property. If your house is not priced right, it could sit on the market for a very long time. And if it sits on the market for a very long time, buyers will think, is there something wrong with the home? Or if not, they will start giving you lowball offers because they're thinking you're desperate because the home has been on the market for a long time. So it's imperative that you price the home right. In addition to that, you could also run into some appraisal issues if the home is priced too high. It will not appraise for the value of the home. Now that we've prepared the home to sell, we've priced the home to sell, now let's market the home to sell. And it's imperative that several strategies are used to market the home. This is another area where an experienced realtor can help. I'm happy to help. First, professional photos. High quality professional photos are essential. They are essential because we talked about earlier first impressions. So photos are going to be the first impression that potential buyers see of your home. So they have to be of high quality and professional. Another tip for you, 70% of potential home buyers shop for homes online, and that's where your photos will be. Another strategy is to list your home in the multiple listing service system, which is called the MLS. This is a large database in which realtors use to find homes for their clients. Here again, they will be sending photos to the clients of homes that they think they're interested in. Then online presence. Advertising and listing your home on major websites that has great readability is key. Also running ads on Facebook and LinkedIn, Instagram, also key to advertising online. Creating YouTube videos of the home, explaining the features, detailing the logistics of the home. Another strategy for advertising your home. One last strategy that I like to use is sending out postcards. I like to send out just listed home in your area postcards to the neighbors so that they know that a house is on the market and they can share with their friends and family. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope I've shared some information with you that you can use. If you're thinking of selling your home, give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email, all in the description below, and I'm happy to assist you with selling your home.